am Sonali. In this session, you will learn how to generate e-certificate for quiz participant. You can generate the e-certificate automatically by using the Certify Me apps of Google Forms. Here, I am using one existing quiz. You can create the quiz by using different options here. I have already explained how to create the quiz, how to set response time, how to set time limiter for the form, or how to set the timer for the quiz. Okay, I am providing the link of these videos in description box. Please watch it. Now we are moving towards how to generate certificates. Before going to this, please subscribe to my channel. See, for this we require the one app. Click on three dots here. Click on this more option. Click on the add-ons. You require one add-on named as a Certify Me. It is exist in G Suite. Click here to search your app. Certify Me. Click on this. You need to install this app. I have already installed. For installation, click on this. Accept terms. Given terms, and then click on OK. First read carefully the all terms and then only install this app. I am closing this. I have already installed it. I am closing this. After installation of add-on, here is one more icon. Click on this. Here is a three add-ons in my window. Certify Me, then form limiter. By using this, you can set the limited number of responses or limited amount of time. This Timify Me is the timer for your quiz. I am going to use this Certify Me. Sometimes it displaying only these options because I have used this add-on, so it showing the errors. No problem, we can try once again. Click on this, then Certify Me. Sometimes there will be the add-on errors and it's showing the only the help option. Don't worry, after sometimes it will be displaying. Click on this show Certify Me controls. After clicking on this, here is a one window. Status of certification is off. Click on this turn on. Then records, certificates record. Okay, when the students or participants submitting the quiz, after this here is a certificate records will be generated, and by using this, by depending on this, your certificates is generating. You can set the passing percentage, means in this quiz I am giving the, if your marks greater than 50%, you will be get the you will get e-certificate. So I am selecting the criteria 50%. Okay, template, you can, here is a different certificates, this black frame or all. Click on this preview all. So you can use this existing certificates. Okay, on this name your student name will be here, and you can give the in advance for what this certificate is, then date, and then with the passing score will be here. I am closing this certificate window, certificate template window. You can email, you can send the email for see the what is the how which certificate you have choose from this. And one more option is here, you can use the custom template. Use a custom template. For this, need the settings. Select a new file. Suppose you have created your certificate, but it is necessary to create the certificate in Google Slides. Then only it will take from here. I have created one certificate here. You can select this and click on the select. But how to create the certificate? I am closing this. How to create the certificate? Go to the Google Drive, then go to the new option, then here Google Slide option is there. Click on this. select the template. Here is some readily available certificate format is there. In this, there is a certificate in uh, this template. There is a one certificate template also exists. You can choose it. You can select the any. I am using this student certificate. You can generate the certificate here. Give your institution name here, institution logo here. You can give the student name here, but write the student name in this braces, in curly brackets. Then only it takes the this Google certify me takes the data from recorded responses and give the here. You can change the here also for what, by whom, who is the owner. I am giving the certificate, so I am writing the my name from, or you can write the your institution name. I am writing the here name, and here also you can provide the this brackets. Okay, you can give, you can create as per your requirement. I am just showing how to create it. I will explain it in a detail in a next video. And save this certificate. Click on this here certificate, student certificate, and give the name and save it. Okay, it automatically, we are using the Google Drive, so it automatically saved on your drive. Okay, you can use this, or you can use a ready-made, from the ready-made template. You can use the any template. Okay, or use the custom. Here I am selecting by default this black frame. You can give the more advanced settings also. In advanced setting, you can do the message shown upon the submission. You can do this message or change it. You can give the name of sender. Here you can provide the name, subject. Then you can write the contents here. Then certification BCC. Then certificate option. You can send the image or PDF to the participant and click on the save changes. Okay, now it is turned on. Let's see how it will work when I'm clicking on this preview, because I'm attempting this test. Click your email ID, write your name. Okay, the participant writing the email address and all detail by this details by participant. Okay, I'm only filling just this for the example and clicking on the submit. Okay, you can check the score also here. Okay, I'm closing this window also. Okay, I'm checking the responses. Okay, here is the responses. You can see these responses here. Okay, this certify me uses the this responses only. Click on this and check the record is saved or not. Okay, this email ID, this is your, now see, now timing is this, so this, then in name, this name. Okay, so let's check the email, this certificate is generated or not. Okay, this certificate will send at this mail ID. So let's check. I have already logged in. Okay, it takes a few time, 1 or 2 minutes. It takes the 1 or 2 minutes. I have already used this here, so you can check. It is like this. Okay, okay, like this. The name automatically come here. Okay, and suppose you have given the name for the quiz, then this quiz name is here, and here is on date and how many marks you got. this will be here, and certificate ID for each and every certificate will be here. The certificate ID is also here. This is your quiz name. You can change as per your requirement. Here is a name which is filled by the participant. Okay, and this certificate you will get certificate only on this register email ID. After sometimes your certificate in your inbox. Okay, it takes some time, so see this. Okay, and for more updates about the Google Forms, how to use the more advanced, please subscribe to my channel so you will get the notification of new videos. Thank you.